I'm Cóilín Duffy in Camross. After Laois's first win over Offaly in the Leinster Senior Hurling Championship since 1972, it seemed apt that all roads led to the border with the fateful county on Monday evening for the Laois GAA Poc Fada in the Slieve Bloom Mountains. While on the night there were plenty of titles up for grabs. In hurling, competitions for senior and under 16s, while in Camogie and under 16 competition took place, everyone vying for the honour of being Laois champion. The Harps, Peter Walsh, Slieve Bloom's Ben Conroy, defending Laois and Leinster champion Eoin Reilly, and Thomas Dunphy from Camross were all aiming for senior hurling honours. In the under 16s, Alan Kelly from Abbey Leaks, Naomh Eamon's Mike Cuddy, the Harps' Podge Delaney, Camross's Oisin Bennett, Mount Rat's Dylan Russell and Connor from Portlaoise took part. A healthy crowd attended on the night. The event played on a 1 kilometre road course. The under 16 Camogie event was one of the most competitive of the evening. Camross's Donnagh Mortimer, Ciara Walsh of Naomh Eamon and Killan's Chloe Norton all taking part. Laois GAA coaching officer Kieran Muldowney.
And our markers, thank you very much, your help is much appreciated. Thanks to Paddy and all the crew in the Camogie Association for their help, and thanks to Niall, Danny, Tom and all those who came from the county board, all the county board officers who came. A special thanks to Sean for providing us with the venue and the course. It was different, it was worth a try. It's very, very similar to the course that the winners will go on to play in the Leinster final. Okay, so without any further ado, we'll do the presentation to the winners. We'll start with the Camogie winner, and with an excellent score of 15 shots, and that was Donnagh Mortimer. Hey! With a very good score of 17, I'll ask Danny to present the trophy to Podge Delaney from the Harps. Finally, on to our senior men's. With a wonderful score of 10 shots. I didn't think it was a score that was possible when we walked the course earlier on today. I'll ask Chairman of the Hurling Board, Sean Mortimer, to present it to our champion, the local man, Thomas Dunphy.
Next up for Donnagh Mortimer, Podge Delaney and Thomas Dunphy is the Leinster final on July 11th at the Hill of Hope. Well, here's hoping Eoin Reilly gets a wild card to the M. Donnelly All-Ireland Poc Fada on the August Bank Holiday in the Cóilín Mountains.